So this is a schematic that you all can use to actually have it take a kind of a first stab at, I want to convert from structural directives over to control flow. When you run it, what it's going to do is say, all right, what's the path to the project you want to migrate? Now, I was in the root of the project, so you can see I have the /. It filled that in. Should the migration reformat your templates? Now, this can move things around a little bit, so you may or may not want that. Experiment. All right, now, in this simple example, there's only 2 files to update, customers and orders. So let me open this real quick. Now, here's what it did, and it's not perfect, because look what it did with the 4. 2 kind of mess ups here. Number 1, it wrapped the table. That's not what I want. Number 2, look at the track. It's referencing the full object. So obviously, I would need to come in and get to my ID. But that's what's so cool about this, is it's really clean.